Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first part of the Easter vlog. Me and my mom and my sister are all going to the store to get some last minute Easter stuff because I'm helping my mom make my little brothers and two little cousins Easter baskets. We have to go to the store and just get, I think, stuff for their basket and like extra Easter eggs. I don't know. I'm gonna vlog and see what we get. But I'm already in the Easter spirit. I have my bunny shirt on. It's so cute. I'm gonna put a jacket over it though because it's so ugly outside. It's raining and it's not the move. So I will vlog when I'm in the car and I'll see y'all then. Okay, we are back. We just went to the dollar store in HEB. I got a tiny bit of footage. I'm sorry it wasn't a lot. There was a bunch going on and I just didn't really film. But we did get a bunch of stuff. I'm just going to run through it because there is a lot. These are the baskets my mom picked out. And there's like a bunch of goodies in here. I actually picked these out for me to wear on Easter. I think they're so cute, so I can't wait to wear those. And it's just a bunch of stuff like that, like candy. And we did get more Easter eggs for the hunt. I love these seashell ones. I love them. And like these little metallic ones. So yeah, I'll probably put the baskets together tomorrow. I'm a little tired right now and I don't want to rush it. I just want to make sure they look nice, so I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow. But yeah, it is the next day. Good morning. Like I said, we are making some Easter baskets. I am awake, refreshed, and I'm ready to make some Easter baskets. So I'm gonna go grab all the stuff and start putting them together. So this is an overview of everything. It's all from HEB or Dollar Tree. Okay, so I just kind of sorted everything out between everyone. I tried to make it as fair as I possibly could. Oh yeah, also I changed my shirt just because I was feeling a little uncomfortable in the pink one. Plus, we're getting into the Easter spirit early because Jesus is the reason for the season, always. So, I want to start by writing everybody's name on their little baskets. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. Okay, first I want to fill up each of these eggs with little goodies. Everybody gets one of these big eggs for their basket. I'm going to put one or two of these Tootsie Pops, a few Tootsie Rolls, and then some erasers. Okay, now everybody gets like a special theme egg. I'm gonna be putting one of these little like mochi squishies in all of them. So Good morning, guys. Happy Easter. I just got back from church and I was kind of setting up for our little party we're doing at my house. I just have to get ready because honestly, I woke up a little late and I just kind of got out of bed and put clothes on and then went to church. But I wanted to do my hair and I have to fix my eyes a little bit. I already washed my face and brushed my teeth. But yeah, I'm gonna stay wearing this shirt. I'm wearing also some jeans, but I think I want to wear some shorts. Okay, so I finished my hair. I just pulled these pieces out and I did like 2 little tiny braids, and I also have my little headband. I just chose kind of a simple outfit just so I would be comfortable because we're just being at my house. So it's just the same top I was wearing with some shorts and then my sandals. So yeah, now I'm gonna help my mom downstairs. I have to make some like peep pop thing. I'll show you guys. But yeah. Okay, I finished all the peep pops. I'm just gonna put one in everyone's little basket. Okay, now I have to bake some stuff. I'm gonna do cupcakes, cookies, and some jello jigglers. Hopefully I can make all 3, but we're gonna see. This is what the cookies look like, and then I'll put a picture of the cupcakes and then the jigglers. So I'm just gonna wash my hands and then get all of the supplies for that. So this is everything I have. I have the jello, the toppings for the cookies, the cookie mix, and then the icing for the cupcakes and the cookies. Okay, so I finished mixing the batter. I don't know if y'all saw, but it's this like super moist cherry chip. Hopefully it tastes good. But I'm just gonna pour them into the cupcake pan. I'm doing the big ones, but I'm gonna try to shape them like flowers. I've never done this before, so they could either go one way, good or bad. But it's for my family, so they should love them no matter what. Okay, I just put the cupcakes in the oven. That was one of the hardest things I've ever had to do. I don't know why, but rolling up those little tinfoil balls, they kept poking me in the fingers and they were just so hard to get in that flower shape, so I couldn't do the last four. I honestly don't know if I have it in me to do the cookies.
Sorry.
Okay, what's up? These are all the eggs we found. Had some money in there and a lottery ticket. And some more of these. Okay, so I'm starting on the cookies. I have the icing ready, the coconut, and I got these to put on top. They're just called Jordan almonds. So this is how they came out. I think they came out really good. I think it's supposed to look like little bird's nests, which I think is super cute. Okay, now I'm gonna decorate the cupcakes. Let me do a different angle so I don't drop them all. Here's how they came out. They're supposed to be flowers, but I think for my first time I did okay. So we're gonna decorate them and then I'll show you guys the process of doing that. Hey guys, it is the next day. I have been editing this video all day and I realized that I never filmed an outro. So yeah, that concludes my Easter vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry it was kind of all over the place. I had a ton of footage and I really just wanted to compress it into kind of a short video. So I'm so sorry if it's all over the place. I just wanted to make sure that you guys saw everything. It was a very eventful day and I had a bunch of fun and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and I'll see you in the next video.